Hello. In my last video, I decided that maybe we should talk about each letter of the alphabet and the true sound that it makes. Because sometimes when we're teaching children to read, we really don't teach them the true sound that the letter makes, and that causes problems later. So let's talk about each letter, starting with the letter A. So A makes a lot of sounds in the English language, and it's very confusing, sorry, but two main sounds. So short A says ah, like an apple, ah, and you can see if you look at my tongue, it's up a little bit in the back, ah. And then long A says A, like ape. If you tell a child that B says buh, that is not correct. Buh is B-U, but a B actually says buh. And you need to practice that. Be sure you're not putting the sound of a vowel when you say the actual sound that a buh makes, or a B makes. And I have to practice too because I just did it wrong. So B as in ball. C says two sounds. C, a hard C, says k as in cat. And a soft C says s as in city. And the rule for this, if a C is followed by an A, O, or U, it's going to make a hard k sound. If a C is followed by an I or an E, it's going to make an S sound. S. D as in doll. It's not d, duh, it's d. E is an egg or eat. So, and E. And we kind of smile when we say E. E. F as in fire. So F just really says f. When you make an F sound, feel your throat. Do you feel any vibration? You don't, do you? All the sound comes out with air. And that's how is different than v. We make the same embouchure with our mouth. We form our mouth the same way. But the letter V is what we say when we vocalize v. And you can feel that vibration in your neck. So that's how and v are different. All right, G says two sounds. G as in go and J as in giraffe. So if a G is followed by an A, O, or U, it's going to be a G sound. And if it's followed by an I or an E, it's going to say J. Now, sometimes there's rule breakers, like the word get is a G sound. So it doesn't always hold true. Is H. I is I and I, as in igloo and ice cream. J, J. K, K. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, ah, and O. It's good to really show your mouth and show the children what your mouth looks like when you say those words, and it will help them learn how to pronounce them correctly. I shouldn't have said words, letters. Then P is not P, it's P. Like in pig or popcorn. Q is Q, Q. And Q is always with the letter U in the English language. So you do pronounce the W, Qu, Qu, because it's always Q and U together. R is R. You look like you're about to kiss somebody. R. S is S. T is T, as in turtle. U is and U. as in umbrella, U as in unicorn. Violin, V, remember, your throat vibrates. You can feel that because you vocalize when you say the letter V. W, watch. X, Z, or X. When it's at the end of the word, like the word fox, it says CK. And then Y, and Z, Z. It's also vocalized. You make the same mouth shape as you do with the letter S, but you vocalize Z. Because with S, it's just S. It's just air coming out. And so, if you make sure you are, especially with the letters B and D, and let's see, H, and J, you're just making that sound. You're not putting a vowel with it. P is another one. And it's almost like your lips are just popping. And that's really all I wanted to say. It's just really important that if you're going to teach children how to hear it and segment those sounds, it's important that you teach it correctly at the beginning. Okay, that's all for now.